Northwest Pakistan was a scene of bloodshed on Monday as a massive explosion ripped through a crowded rally called by a Pashtun Nationalist Party in Temergara, Lower Dir. The attack left at least 38 people dead and over 100 injured. The rally was held by the region's ruling party and a prominent supporter of Army's offensives against the militants to celebrate the new name of Northwest Frontier Province as a Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
I saw a young man who slipped into the overcrowded rally. He was spotted and shot by the police, but succeeded in detonating his explosive in the middle of the rally, causing death to dozens of people.
Analysts say the attacks appeared to be in response to a major security operation launched in the Orakzai tribal region near Peshawar last week. And hours after the attack in Temergara, a series of 6 powerful explosions rocked the regional capital, Peshawar. The explosions took place in quick succession in the area near the U.S. consulate. There are also some army barracks and offices of the military intelligence in the area. The attacks were soon followed by a gun battle between police and the attackers. The blast, which shook the whole city, killed at least 6 persons and wounded 13 others.
While I was going for shopping, I heard a deafening sound of the blast. I saw smoke rising and the people frantically running here and there. Within no time, there were 4 to 5 blasts. And then I saw the security forces men came and started controlling the situation. The whole area was cordoned off. So we are still waiting to go back to our homes.
Taliban spokesman Azam Tariq said his group had carried out the raid. However, the name and nationality of those killed in the attacks were not disclosed.
So far we have reports about 1 policeman killed and another wounded in the blast, but there are 4 more dead bodies of suspected militants lying on the ground along with the heavy explosives and explosive-laden jackets. We are still working to defuse other explosives.
The U.S. Embassy in Islamabad also confirmed the consulate was the target of the attack. The U.S. diplomatic presence in Peshawar has repeatedly come under militants' attacks as the country carries out drone strikes on militant targets in Pakistan's tribal areas. In the last 3 months, there have been fewer militant attacks in northwest Pakistan compared with the same period last year. But Monday's multiple attacks are a reminder that militants might be bruised but far from beaten yet. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.